Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Digit step by step clearly. To install Digit, start by opening your device's App Store. Search for Digit in the search bar. Locate the official app developed by Digit. Tap on the app to view its details. Click the install button to download the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, tap on the app icon to open it. You will be prompted to create an account or log in. If you're a new user, select Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Follow any additional prompts to verify your email. After verifying, return to the app and log in with your credentials. The app will guide you through a short setup process. You may be asked for permissions to access your financial data. Grant the necessary permissions for the app to function properly. Link your bank account by following the on-screen instructions. Input your banking credentials as required. Digit will securely connect to your bank account. Once connected, set up your savings goals. Customize your preferences for automated savings. Review the setup summary to ensure everything is correct. Confirm your settings to finalize the installation. You are now ready to start using Digit for your savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.